YouTube, what is up? Welcome back. It is the weekly rundown with your host, KapKix. That is right. Today, we have a really special video. As you can tell, we have a lineup of shoes here. We are going to get into one of the biggest shock drops, probably, for the holiday season. I'm gonna get into my $50 come up that I got this weekend, and also just a bunch of other stuff as far as sneaker drops and just stories about the latest shock drop that came. So buckle up, y'all. We're about to get into it. Let's get it. All right, y'all. First up, we've got probably one of the sickest, most anticipated shoe to come out this year. It is the Cherry 12's. Air Jordan Cherry 12's. It's crazy that people call them the Cherries 12's. I just call them the white and red 12's, to be honest. Yeah, man, I was able to get a pair on the shock drop that happened sometime last week or the week before. I did get these on Monday, this past Monday. It is Monday today that I'm recording this. But I've been sitting on them for a whole week. I did record a video. I just didn't like the way that it came out, and I'm honestly not just gonna, drop a video me not approving it, you know what I'm saying? So I want to be able to bring you guys some quality type videos. So yeah, man, I might have to redo that, but until now, here we are at the weekly rundown. And let me know in the comments if you guys were able to cop a pair. Shock drop, man, shout out to the shock drop. We've gotten lucky a couple times. I didn't actually try for the shock drop on these. I kind of figured that they weren't going to sell out, to be honest. But yeah, man, I was lucky enough to get a pair. Super hyped on these, man. I had the originals back in '96. Quick story. I would religiously wear these with the Iverson rookie jersey, and like a big pair of like baggy jeans and stuff. But I would always religiously wear that outfit. I freaking love that, just the way that it looked. I remember going to like Six Flags and wearing that. So I don't know, these shoes hold they're like real sentimental to me, man. It's such a beautiful shoe. I was able to get them when they came out back in 2009. I do have a picture. I'll probably share it somewhere right here. But yeah, man, it's just crazy like how it just all comes back around, whether if you didn't get them the first time around, didn't get them the second time around, but this, the third time around you were able to get them. So it's kind of crazy, like for me to be able to remember from when I had them back in '96 and 2009 and now in 2023. So yeah, man, it's a beautiful shoe. I tried it on. It fits perfect. I feel like the leather on it, the materials on it just feels so much better than these royalties that came out. I feel like it's a bit softer, but fit wise, 12's do run big. Sorry, damn fly. 12 do run big, but I still just keep true to size. I don't want to wear 10.5 in these because I know that it'll fit a bit snug, and the 11.5 is gonna be way too crazy. So I stick with the 11s. But yeah, man, Cherry 12s. Let me know in the comments if you guys were able to get a pair, and are you guys gonna get a pair this week when they do drop? They finally come out to the masses on Saturday, October 27th. So yeah, man, let me know if you guys are going to be able to grab a pair. All right, guys. And on my latest video, I did show that I did cop these. I think they're called the Indigos, the Air Jordan 12 Indigos. I copped them from Holy Ground. I always want to say Holy Grail, but I copped them from Holy Ground out here in Upland. Real cool dudes. The guy that runs the store, I used to follow him on YouTube. He was just buying on the streets and stuff like that, and he opened up a shop, and I believe he has 2 stores now, one out here in Upland and another in Brea. So shout out to them, man. They did post these on their website. $50, bro. I couldn't pass up on them. They didn't come with the white laces. They came with the stock like same blue laces to go with them. But if you guys know, these similar ones did come out back in the day. They are the Obsidian 12s. I did have the last retro ones, which they are leather, but I mean, for $50, dude, I couldn't beat it. So I was able to cop them online. I picked them up in store. I bought these laces from Lace Lab, and yeah, man, fit perfect, man. So it's such a come up. You guys, make sure you guys are looking into your local shoe stores, your resale stores, because man, I'm pretty sure they all got deals, the steals and deals, man. So I'm super hyped on that. Alrighty, and just to take it back to memory lane, I feel like I've had every single pair of 12s. Honestly, I've had actually these royalties are the first time that I've ever had the taxis. I mean, I know they're not the taxis, but it's similar to them, and it's as close as I'm gonna get to them until they drop. But this is the first time I ever had the taxis. And to me, this right here, this white and black is such the most iconic Jordan 12 ever, ever, ever. From the slow motion commercial that they had with him wearing the taxis playing against the Lakers. Bro, that commercial was insane, man. It just sucks that nowadays we don't get those type of commercials that make you want to go run to the mall and get a pair of shoes. So, but yeah, this is my first time having these. This is my third time having the Cherry 12s. This is my second time having the Obsidians, although these are indigos, but whatever. They look like Obsidians to me. I did have the playoff 12s, not the OGs. I did have the retros with the silver box with this face on it, with Jordan's face on it. I had those, but they were 10 and a half. So I didn't really wear those much, but I did have those. The flu games trip out. So when these came out in 96, I had these. And then when the flu games dropped, I bought the flu games, the black and red ones, of course, super iconic ones. I remember wearing them to school and kids were like making fun of me. They were like, oh, those things were so ugly and whoop de whoop. Anyways, I remember going to the mall and the guy had just put the playoff 12s, the black with the white bottom. He had just put them out and he's like, yeah, they're going to be dropping soon. And I was like, yo, I just bought the black and red ones. Can I come and return them? It was a Champs. And he was like, yeah, come and return them and you could get these. Bruh. I told my mom. My mom was like, oh, yeah, I'll return them for you. She returned my flu games and was supposed to give me the playoffs. I never got the playoffs. Such a L. Such a big L, man. Damn. But I mean, that's kind of like the stories that I have on these shoes. I've been watching a lot of the Cherry 12 reviews, and it's cool to see like a lot of YouTubers like just kind of break down the shoe and, you know, why it's iconic and when MJ wore them, and they kind of, some of them might remember when they were kids and stuff, but to be able to live through, you know, the times that they've originally came out, the retro to the retro, and to be able to share stories like that, I feel like this is why I do it. This is why I do the weekly rundown or, you know, a review of this shoe. It's more than just a review. I'll give you a whole story, my story. And I feel like me sharing that with everyone, I mean, that's the beauty of, you know, being a sneakerhead, I guess, you know? So, yeah. All right, y'all. Now let's talk mellows. Shout out to everybody showing love, man, on the LaFrance review. It's dope, man. I love to see everybody engaging in the comments, people asking me to do a video to, you know, showing how to relace them. Just things of that nature, man. I appreciate everybody, each and every single one of you, for reals. If it wasn't for you guys, I would not be doing this, bro. I'd probably be asleep right now or playing Call of Duty. Add me at KapKix. Anyways, yeah, man. Thank you to everyone that was on the that got to watch the LaFrance video. But this, is it this week? Yeah, right. It's the end of the week on the 27th, which is Friday. They'll be dropping the Toxic colorway, and the Toxic colorway is crazy loud. It has purple, like a pink color, neon green. Bro, there's so many colors on this shoe. It pops so much, and I'm super excited. No translucent bottom, but still you get the sick rare to show on the bottom of the shoe. The box is crazy, bro. The box looks like a lava lamp. If you guys know what a lava lamp is, it's like all, yeah, super trippy, but that's how the box looks. I'm just looking at it right now. They also did release a commercial. Remember, I was just talking about the Jordan 12 taxi commercial and how there hasn't really been commercials for shoes to make you go and actually go buy the shoe. Well, Puma did a freaking great job with creating a commercial for the MB.03s and for the Toxics that come out this week. And man, I'm super hyped. I am really hyped to go and get those. So yeah, man, just keep an eye out on the video. It should be dropping real soon. The shoes come out at the end of the week. So let's hope my champs here at my local mall has them and we'll be able to pick them up, man. But super excited to have another pair of Mellows. I want to have this whole table just full of MB.03s, man. That would be so sick, right? But yeah, man, I appreciate everybody tapping in. Damn, Mallow's been killing it preseason before I let everyone go. I've been watching him. He's been wearing these. He got to wear the Toxics the other night. But it's been crazy. It's been cool to see him back on the court. He looks super healthy. And I just hope he stays healthy all season because then we get to see more of his shoes, more colorways, probably more PEs, you know what I'm saying? And hopefully they'll be able to drop another MB.03 PE. I mean, just the MB PE. That's so many words. Anyways, yeah, I'm just super hyped to see what he brings to the court. And hopefully, you know, Puma will release some of those colorways to us. And yeah, man, I'm just super hyped. I appreciate everybody tuning in, man. Wear your shoes, y'all. Wear your shoes. I still haven't finished doing the other shoe, the other pair on this one. I've been lagging it, but I'm gonna do it soon. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do the actual review on this shoe. If not, we're just gonna keep it pushing to the end of the week till I get those Toxics. And yeah, man, that should do it. I appreciate everybody. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, man. We're on the road to 1,000 followers, bro. The numbers have been going crazy. People been subbing. Make sure you guys like, comment, bro. If you guys comment, it helps out a lot. But yeah, man, I appreciate everybody. Much love. Peace.